Alrighty, so we are here at the Cake and Bake Show down at the XL. This is every baker's dream right now. I'm not a baker. This is my baker right here. Guys, this is a piece of heaven. Baked by him. Go over to Instagram and check it out. Our cakes are amazing. So we're here today. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm in heaven. There's like, oh. Guys, look at those. Oh, these are good. And they're only £1. We gon' buy some. We're just gonna have a walk around, see what cake things are available. And here we have like, oh my god. Look at the donuts. Mmm, looks delicious. Treats. Look at the size of those donuts, man. Guys, so I'm here at the LAS cake stand and oh my god, these ladies, they are beautiful. The cakes taste amazing. So you need to head over to LAS Cakes. They're on Facebook, they're on Instagram, and they are on Twitter. These cakes taste good, I'm not gonna lie. We coming back here. Ladies, thank you. Guys, head over, check them out. LAS Cakes. Woo, woo. Black businesses, London black businesses. And obviously, baked by she'll be here next year. We're gonna get her on a stand. Yes, watch this space. And they do bespoke cake pops for any occasion, and as you can see, their stuff looks amazing. And again, you can find these guys on Instagram, and that is Shirley Cake. Yep, at Shirley Cake. Like, look how cool their things are, man. Not too sure what that is.
Together. You can take
they're making like little tarts.
a nice good spoonful and put it into the middle.
She's like, why is the man shouting? And what's over here? A miracle chamois. Why have they got chamois at a cake bake show? I don't really know. It's actually quite cool. I mean, if you're into the cake business, you know, there's plenty of resources, plenty of things that you can buy. Cake and bake, but I suppose it's like a general census of food and things that you can get. Oh, they got a mega shake. Check this out. These are some crazy fruit shakes. Ooh. Look, there are loads of candies. Okay, let's go and have a look at their menu. bakers out there, you have talent. I take my hat off to you. I wouldn't even know where to begin. You can see them here. This is so cute. Look at that. Look at the detail in the pug. At the camera. This is some serious work. These designs are really intricate and detailed. It's bloody good stuff. But it's all when I've done the cake looking nice. The cake's got to taste good as well. If your cake don't taste good, then you can look as pretty as it likes. It's still gonna be a flop. But look at that. The details on that is just phenomenal. Look at this. Choose one for the future. Oh, now we talking. We got pancakes. It's so cool. So. Yeah, this is the wedding cake display. I'm gonna walk around and look at some of these. Anybody get married soon? Oh. Those look really nice. Why would you have donuts as your wedding cake? Or maybe they're just like boxes that you can give to your guests. Oh, they're cake donut boxes for your guests. Not too bad. Have all these intricate designs. Look amazing. This is really nice. And look, it's even got the first initial of my name. So I guess my husband's gonna be a D then. This is my cake right here. That can't be a wedding cake. Look at this cake. Look at this one. For a wedding cake, not too sure I'd want that as a wedding cake. But this one right here is stunning. That one's really cool. That is my experience at the cake bake done. It's quite a good one. Guys, if you're a baker, you like to make your cakes or whatever, I'd recommend coming down to the cake bake show next year. Go onto their website, find out the details on how to sign yourself up and get involved. Rinavibez coming to you live and direct from the XL Centre at the Cake and Bake Show 2019, signing out.